Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we will be working up with the database. Okay, I'm going to show you how can you just import the database from your PHP my admin and then export it here. So what you have to do, you have to just enter PHP my admin. Okay, and then here you can see it will open here. So once this is opened, you have to just basically come here to the WP. This is the database that we created. We didn't add anything here, but you can see this is automatically added. What you have to do, you have to just click export. Okay, and on clicking export, it's just gonna open up a thing here. And here what you have to do, you don't have to do anything here. You just have to hit go. So this is gonna export everything. Let's wait till this is done. And here it says wp.sql. Now what you have to do, you have to just go to your C panel of your website, and then you have to go to MySQL databases. So you have to basically create a new database, and then you have to work with it, okay? And we will also create a user here, guys, so you guys can understand it much easier. You have to create a new database. So my database is going to be Tenzi underscore, and this is be like WP, okay? WP Migrate. So this is basically my database name. Okay, WP Migrate, or just WPM. WPM is my new database name, which is like this and this WPM. This is my HostGator username. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit create database, and this database is going to be created. Now here I'm gonna go back. I'm sorry. Okay, you can see that here I am, and now I have to assign a user here. So you can see that this is the database that has been created. You must be seeing this only video, this only section. And now here I have to assign the user here. So I'm just going to go ahead. I basically want to create a new user, and that is going to be like WPM. Okay, and then I have to go ahead and create a password. So I basically have to use the password generator. So it says generate password. I have copied this password in a safe place. So I'm going to copy all this, and I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, and this is basically my database password. So you have to keep it safe. You just have to enter it, and then you can forget it, guys. It doesn't matter. Okay, and then you have to hit use password. So this is right here. Now here I have to just click create user. Okay, so on just clicking the create user, this user will be created. You can see it says you have successfully created a user. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit go back. Okay, and you can see that the user has been created, and it should be here. These are the users that are coming. You can change your password, you can rename them. But in here it says a privileged user. We haven't added any user to this database. So we have to just come here, and here it says add user to database. So I'm going to select the user that we have created. So this should be the user, and this is the database that I want to assign. So this will be the user of the database. Okay, I have to just click add, and this will be added here. I'm going to select all privileges, and I'm going to hit make changes. So now you guys are going to see that this user will be assigned to that database. So let me show you. Okay, if I just come here, you can see it says Tenzi underscore WPM, and this is the privileged user. What I have to do right now, I just have to go back, and I have to basically click this control panel home. So now you can see that we have created a database, we have assigned the user, and now we have to log into the PHP my admin. So you can just open this up in a new tab, and let's open up the MySQL database here as well, because we need to copy some stuff. Okay, so now here you can see that PHP my admin is right here. What I have to do, I have to open this up, and here you must see this user database that you have created. Now you have to hit import, and on clicking import, you can see it is right here. You just have to drag the SQL file that you have just uploaded, and you have to drop it. So you can see this is being uploaded, and once this is uploaded, and you have to just come here then, and you have to refresh it. So let's just click here, and you can see that all the database files are here. And now what we have to do is that we have to basically just work with the file manager. So I'm just gonna go to the file manager. Okay, and in here you should see wp-config. Okay, please pay attention to this, guys, because this is so important. You have to just open this up, and you have to hit code edit. Okay, and on clicking the code edit, you have to just click edit right now. So it's just gonna open up a new window that will show up here. And here it says the database name. Here it says the username, and here it says the password. Here it says the localhost, and here it says everything. So what I have to do, I have to just come here, and my database name is basically this one. This is my database name. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna come here in the file manager where this file is wp-config, and I'm gonna paste this database name. Okay, so this is right here. Now here I have to enter the username. So my username was Tenzi. Let's just come here, and here is the username basically. So I'm just gonna go down, and I'm gonna copy the username. Okay, let's just hit copy, and let's come here to the file manager, and let's paste it. You can see that username is also here. And now what we have to do is that we have to enter the password. So this is the password that we created when we were just basically creating this username. Then we use the password generator. So we copied this password here in a new tab. I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna come here to this one, and I have to paste it here. So you can see that password is already here. And we have the host name, so you have to leave this local host as it is, guys, okay? And now what we have to do is that we have to just go ahead and we have to hit save changes. So you can see it says success. And now, if we just come here and we will just hit this, you will see that this will not work, but this error establishing a database connection will be gone. So this means that we have successfully assigned the database user to our website, and database is totally up and running. We have to make some changes that we will be doing in the next video. So let's just come here and let's just refresh. Make sure that you come here and you just save the changes so that it should work. Okay, so you can see that it is not giving an error right now. Let's save the changes. I hope the changes has been saved. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit close. And let's come here and let's just reload this. So you can see that everything is working. Now what we have to do is that we have to just come here to wp_users. Okay. And then we have to come here. And here it says, no. We have to go to wp_options. So here is the site URL. I basically have to change this. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to double click here, and here it is. I'm going to copy my site URL from here. Let's just copy. And let's come here and let's paste it. I don't know why the database is not still created. Let's come here to wp-config.php. It is still giving the error. Let's just hit code edit. And let's see if the database is already assigned to it. This is the database name. This is the username. This is the password. And then this is the local host. Everything is totally up and running. Okay, let's come here and let's add the same exact thing to here as well. So I'm just going to come here and I'm going to paste the exact URL here. That's all. You just have to do this. And you can see that on just refreshing this, it should work. If it doesn't work, then we have to change the browser, guys, because there might be some caching issues that is doing this. Okay, let's just come here and let's open our website here into the Internet Explorer. So I'm just going to come here. I'm going to paste the URL and let's refresh. Okay, I don't know why it is taking some time. Not some, it is taking a lot of time. Let's just open up the Firefox. Internet is already slow. You guys know that. And let's paste the link. Okay, this is still saying that error establishing a database connection. It is giving the error because the database is still not created. We have to just come here and we have to hit code edit. So I hope everything is working totally, but let's see. Database password, database username, database name, and the local host. Okay, guys, let's just come here and let's change the password. I think the password is doing some problems. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to hit change password and let's change the password to anything else. So I'm going to enter a different password. Let's just add QWERTY 1 2 3. security 123 exclamation mark exclamation mark. And let's just hit save changes. So you can see that I have successfully changed the user password. I'm going to come here and let's just come here and change the config file. So I'm going to add this QWERTY 123 exclamation mark. Okay. I'm going to come here and I'm going to hit save changes. So this is my database password. Okay. And now let's come here and let's refresh our website to see if it is running or not. Okay, this is now running. Okay, I basically got the same thing. This was the password issue. I think we choose the wrong password, or we just entered the wrong password. That is how it is working. But you can see that it is totally up and running, and this is the exact thing that is coming from here to the local host. So if you just go to localhost/WP, then you can see this is the same. And this is also the same. So if I just open up if I just want to go to the login credentials of the WP-admin, then you can see that on clicking this, I can log into my website using the same username and the same password. Okay, login. So you can see this is also running. You can see everything is totally up and running, guys. Make sure guys to go to WP_options and change the URL from here and here as well. And then your website will be totally up and running. So make sure to just implement this, and then your website will be totally up and running. So you can see everything is totally cool. Everything is running, and this is our whole WordPress that has been migrated from local server to an online server. So stay tuned, guys, and I hope that you understand everything. If there are still some confusions, you can ask me in the Udemy forums, or you can just rewatch this whole video. I know it is so confusing when we are doing it for the first time, but when we do it and when we constantly do it, we just are used to it. So you can see that it is totally up and running. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this, and I hope that you like this course. Stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.